Y'all ready to slay y'all face with products from the beauty supply store and Walgreens? Make sure you stay tuned to this Get Ready With Me video. Alright, what's up y'all? So it's your girl Shay. So this is going to be a Get Ready With Me video, just my everyday makeup routine. So this morning I'm going to be using my Sonic facial brush by Duvolle, and this is how it looks. I love it because it's pink. Okay, this brush is good for deep cleaning. The bristles are really soft, but it really deep cleans your face. So when I'm just doing my moisturizer in the morning, all I want to do, and it's powered here, okay, and then it goes low and high. All right, and it comes with a charger also, a USB charger. So all I'm gonna do is just wet it, turn it off. I'm gonna wet it. Then I'm gonna take my facial cleanser and I'm gonna put it on the bristle. I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm just gonna rub it. So once that's done, all I'm gonna do is turn it off, rinse it off, and then rinse off my face. Towelettes, and I'm just gonna dry off my face. Nice and clean. Next, we're gonna do makeup. All right, so y'all see where I burnt I burnt myself with my flat iron, but I need to turn my flat iron on because I am going to be bumping my hair. So I'm gonna turn it on. Hopefully I won't burn myself. All right, y'all, so I always start off with just taking my lashes and preparing them, so by the time I finish my entire makeup routine, my lashes are completely dry from glue. I'm just removing the leftover glue from the previous night. So I take my white adhesive glue and I'm just going to put it on the edge, you know, the little line of the lash, so I can make sure that it completely dries. The next thing that I'm going to do is apply my primer. This is the Revlon for oily skin primer. I'm going to put that on first to make sure that my skin is nice and dry and prepped for foundation and other things. Next, I'm going to take my beauty supply store lip liner in dark brown and black and outline my brows. So I take the black liner first and I create my brow line. So I always do my line at the bottom and then do my line at the top, just to make sure that I get the shape of my brow. Okay, that's with the black pencil. Then I take the dark brown pencil and I go ahead and shade it in to make sure that I fill in my brows. Next, I want to take my brow spoolie and I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, and you see it creates like that little ombre in the front. And then next, I'm going to take my concealer and then I'm going to take the angle brush and I'm going to go ahead and take that brush and apply it to the bottom and the top of the brow to shape it. Okay, make sure you take your time on this portion because this is really going to give your brow the shebang. Okay, so I'm going to do that again on the next brow. And then after I finish doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take the same angle brush and I'm going to blend that. Okay, so you want to make sure that you don't have that harsh line with the concealer. So you're going to go ahead and blend that out. So I'll blend both out with the angle brush. And then once I finish, I'm going to take just a regular brush and then I'm going to blend it out some more to make sure I don't have a lot of that concealer left over. Okay, then I'm going to take the little bit that's left on the angle brush and kind of like make sure that I don't have a unibrow. Next, I'm going to be taking my setting powder and putting that on. I like to use that as a base. And then I'm going to take my foundation. It is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put that on with my brush that I use for my makeup. And that helps me because I have really oily skin, for my skin to stay, you know, dry. Then I just take my powder sponge and just blend that out, okay? Don't forget that neck. Next, I'm going to be taking my eyeliner and I'm going to be putting that under my eye and on the lid area where I'm going to apply my lashes because I feel like my lashes just look more flawless. Then I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to apply the concealer under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my beauty blender brush, my beauty blender. And then I'm just going to, you know, blend it a little bit on my chin and in the middle of my forehead. And then just take a brush just to blend that all out. Next, I'm going to take just some powder. That is a highlighter, but I like to use this one because it's a little bit of lighter and it works as like a translucent powder to me. Then I'm going to take my dark powder and then just add that as a little dark highlight and then blend all of that out. Next, I'm going to take my matte mist spray and I'm just going to spray that on and make sure that it dries completely so I can get ready to prepare to put on my lip liner. It's going to be dark brown. I love the dark brown combo with any lip gloss. I'm using my Beauty Supply lip gloss, which is like $1.25 in dark pink, light pink, like a matte pink, and then like a clear gloss on top. So I do the most with my lip gloss. Next, I'm going to take my lashes, which have completely dried now, and then I'm going to apply those. I use my little lash stick just to make sure that they stick. And those are from Amazon, and I'll put the link. It comes with like 10 in a pack, and it's a good price. I think I paid like $8. And then next, I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron my hair to make sure that it's laid. This is super easy with this wig. Make sure you check out this video, but I literally just take my flat iron and run it through my hair, and it takes literally 3 minutes. Take off my scarf, make sure my edges are laid. Then I am going to take highlighter, okay? Y'all don't judge me. I use my, actually just the palette for my eyeshadow, and I take that, and then boom, baby, I am done. I am finished. This is usually my everyday makeup look, my work look. You know, if I'm going somewhere and I want to do the most, this is my look that I do all the time. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know. Bye.